let us have something from Shivani's table first. You want to have a mic?
There's another mic.
Do we have an extra mic? एक mic table here. Thank you. Here. Yes, Shivani.
Hello.
I would appreciate if you just tell us your first name and then let me know what is soft skills for you. What is your understanding? Yes, Shivani.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shivani.
Yes.
And for me, soft skill basically refers to. For me, soft skill is like what you see as a communication skills, leadership skills, or there are certain things that as a person you are known for. I mean, if you interact with a person, the first thing that comes out is what for me is soft skill. So the knowledge and whatever your academic background comes later, and what you showcase as a person to others is for me soft skill.
Okay, thank you, Shivani. Have a seat. Can you pass on the mic to the next table? Let me have few answers from the other table. See, whenever I go on the floor, I make people speak and speak and speak, and I engage them. I don't want to have a quiet area. Yeah, please. Yes. Hello. Ma'am, please, you can have a seat if you are comfortable. Yeah. Yes.
I'm Kalpana Vardhan. According to me, soft skills is the behavior and how you communicate with the people.
Absolutely true. Thank you, ma'am. Anything from this table? You can pass it on to the next table.
Good afternoon, everyone. According to me, soft skills are the skills which are required to lead and live a happy and fruitful life.
Great. Excellent.
Thank
So
you.
soft skills has to do something with the leadership skills. Without soft skills, we just can't exist. We just can't do our roles. You know, if you talk about our roles at home, do you all agree that we have major role to play even at our home? Do you all agree? We have to behave like a mother, sometimes you have to behave like a sister, sometimes you are there as a daughter. So what are we doing? We are playing different roles. And even at our homes, we require soft skills. Do you have something to add on, sir? What I just said? Do you all agree that we have a role to play even at home and soft skills is required at our home?
Yes, it is required because we use soft skills to